Hey guys, today's explainer busts a massive Year 6 maths myth about shapes. Let's get right to it. So, if two shapes have the exact same area, does their boundary length match? Well, let's find out. Quick recap, area is that flat 2D space inside, but perimeter, that's the total distance around the outside.
Check this out. We're going to compare shapes side by side to see how stretching them totally changes their measurements.
Okay, test 1. We are keeping the total area completely locked at exactly 12 square centimeters.
Look at rectangle A. With sides of 4 and 3 centimeters, its perimeter is just 14 centimeters.
Now look at rectangle B. Same 12 square centimeter area, right? But the perimeter jumps to 16.
Rectangle C stretches it even further, a massive 26 centimeter perimeter, all for that exact same area.
Here's the secret. As the rectangle gets longer and thinner, the perimeter actually increases. Wild, right?
Now what if we flip the whole thing? If we lock the perimeter, does the area stay identical?
All right, test 2. Let's set a strict boundary, locking our perimeter at exactly 24 centimeters.
Square D uses its 24 centimeter perimeter and 6 centimeter sides to pack in 36 square centimeters of area.
Stretch that into rectangle E. At 8 by 4 centimeters, the area drops to just 32 square centimeters. Make it super thin, 10 by 2 centimeters. And wow, the area plummets to just 20 square centimeters.
See the pattern? For any locked boundary length, a perfect square always encloses the absolute most area.
Your ultimate takeaway? Area and perimeter are totally independent. Never, ever assume they're linked together.
The golden rule is simple. Knowing the shape's area tells you absolutely nothing about its perimeter, period.
You've nailed rectangles, but how do you think these rules apply to circles or triangles? Keep exploring.